I'll be showing you the top email marketing apps for your Shopify store. For each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at what they're about, their pricing, and their reviews so you can decide which one is going to be the best fit for you in your store. Let's dive right into our first one here. This one's called Omnisend Email Marketing and SMS. It's going to allow you to easily create email marketing campaigns, use pop-ups to get more emails, and sell to more people. So Omnisend's app has helped tens of thousands of e-commerce stores sell more stuff to more people. It allows for email marketing and newsletters using a drag and drop editor. There's no coding or design skills necessarily. It's fully customizable, and you can have unique discount code blocks, and products can be picked directly from your store. You can also create highly targeted landing pages to help get more emails in the first place, as well as to promote new products and announce in-store promotions. They're also going to have different pre-built themes, as well as a library of ready-made and holiday-themed templates and promotional forms like free shipping and sales. And they're going to have fast support available 24/7 as a customer, which is really great so you can get quick responses and your issues solved in a timely manner. In terms of pricing for this app, there is a free to install plan for up to 250 contacts in terms of actually messaging them, and there is an unlimited list size. You get 500 emails per month and up to 60 global SMS. You get professional email templates, pop-ups and sign-up forms, and pre-built workflows and automations. And as you start to move up in price, you're gonna get more contacts you can message, and at $59 a month you get up to 2,500 contacts, and it's going to continue to go up in price depending on the number of contacts you have. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a really good 4.8 stars with 4.6 thousand 5-star reviews. For our second app, let's take a look at Seguno Email Marketing, so you can spend less money and time on email marketing and create automated emails from your shop's admin. It's going to be done all inside of Shopify. You can automate emails with pre-built templates that are designed to convert. You can even use Canva inside your email. Canva is a really popular photo editing tool. It's done completely online. I've used it for years, so I really like Canva, but it's cool to see they have an integration built and set up. You can build on-brand emails in minutes, and they have 200 plus high converting templates, making that process so much easier. It's gonna have trigger targeting emails sent automatically for different sequences, so you can have welcome sequences, abandoned cart, new and repeat purchasers, review requests, product purchases, as well as tag triggers to send the right email at the right time. It's also gonna give you analytics on all your emails sent, you can understand what's performing well. In terms of pricing, there is a 10-day free trial on their paid plans, and there is a free to install plan with up to 250 subscribers. We're going to get all the features and unlimited sending, and as you move up in subscribers, you're going to pay more depending on how many you have. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a almost perfect 4.9 stars with 853 5-star reviews. This latest review is saying that it's super easy to set up and they have excellent customer service. They only asked for help on one thing and it was very simple, and they came through and helped them with the setup process. So really nice to see that they have a great support team here. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money you've actually made. That's where Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can make smarter business decisions. There is a ton of different details, metrics, analytics, and calculations so you get a complete understanding of your store's performance. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts and many cost of goods sold methods. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below where you can access the listing directly. From there, you can get a 15-day free trial to test drive everything for yourself. For our third app, let's take a look at ChatGPT Upsell Email Marketing. So this one is going to be an all-in-one app that includes email marketing. It's going to have a Ask One ChatGPT. It's going to help you with SEO, optimize copy, and improving your store speed. It's going to have one-click upsells as well as cross-sells. And you can automate Shopify email and SMS for upsells, cart recovery, SMS bump, Klaviyo, and MailChimp. And you can add sales pop-up windows, and you can also A/B test discounts. So quite a few features in here, and it is going to include a drag and drop builder, as well as pop-ups to help collect emails in the first place. So overall, quite a few awesome features. In terms of pricing, there's a 10-day free trial on their paid plans. It's going to have up to 50 active customer profiles on their completely free plan, and it's going to go from 6, 9 to 12, depending on the features you're looking for here. And that's starting at 50 active customer profiles. So as you start to move up In terms of the number of customer profiles, you are going to have to upgrade as you grow. So overall, that should give you a plan based on your store's size and how much revenue you're generating. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 2.4 thousand 5-star reviews. Next, let's take a look at Avada email marketing and SMS. It's going to allow you to follow up and convert customers via omni-channel using email marketing, SMS, push notifications, and WhatsApp. It has a ready-to-use email workflow, so you can create customized flows based on different actions and different events, letting you send the right email to the right customer. They have over 100 plus email templates for any season, and you can easily capture leads with their pop-up and spin to win. They're also going to give you detailed analytics so you can understand the performance of your different campaigns and automations. You can also track abandoned carts in real time. In terms of pricing, they have a completely free plan, and this one has 12,000 emails and 500 contacts, and you're going to get the basic automation workflows and email templates. Starting at $16 a month, you get unlimited contacts and emails sent with up to 12,000 emails sent per month, and unlimited automations. At $47, you get up to 18,000 emails sent. If we were to compare this to the previous apps we looked at, this one is a little more generous in terms of how many contacts and emails you can send. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 1.1 thousand 5-star reviews. And the latest review said they were blown away by the results. Their campaigns had a higher open and click-through rates than ever before, and the platform was super user-friendly and easy to use. For our last email marketing app, this one isn't an email marketing service, but it is going to help replace all your automated emails done through Shopify. So you can get email templates to match your brand for things such as order confirmation, shipping confirmation, and they're easy to customize with no coding required. And you can customize everything in just a few clicks using their magic designer. You can easily curate email content and boost sales and loyalty. So they're going to help your automated default emails match your brand's styling and themes. So it is going to be instead of using Shopify's standard customer emails. In terms of pricing, it's free to install, and each email theme is $99 per year, including all Shopify templates and 24/7 support. It has a 4.9 star rating with over 700 5-star reviews. The latest review said they've been using it for over 7 years now, and the templates are beautiful and easy to install and work with. So this is going to conclude the video here on the top email marketing apps for your Shopify store. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below, as that really helps the channel out. I want to mention Profit Calc one more time. There's a link in the description below. You can also find it on the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left. You can get a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself and understand your store's true performance. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.